Welcome guys. In this daily Bitcoin technical analysis, I will do technical analysis of Bitcoin and I will tell you my next price target for the Bitcoin. So please watch this video until end, and if you are new on my channel then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to get $2,300 bonus of Binance and Bybit exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get the pin message and these two links. Click on Binance link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get $700 bonus. And if you want to get $1,600 bonus, this is the Bybit exchange link. Click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get $1,600 bonus, which is withdrawable too and which is tradable too. Let's dive into the content, and in this video I will show you my next price target and very important chart and very interesting thing too. This is Bitcoin 1 hour chart, and unfortunately Bitcoin again fails to break $35,000 level. In my yesterday's video I was told you that this level is very important level. Bitcoin was in this ascending channel, but unfortunately, sorry for that, Bitcoin again fails to break this level. Here you can see rejection. This 30, here you can see this is also rejection. This $35,000 resistance is very important and strong resistance for the Bitcoin. And now Bitcoin is at 32,649. Bitcoin also break very strong resistance for the very strong support line for the Bitcoin which was at $33,000. Now it is in this ascending channel and trying to pull back, and after hitting $32,094, Bitcoin is now $32,678. Let me show you very important thing. Here you can see Bitcoin is in this descending channel and Bitcoin is in this downtrend. But let me please show you a very interesting thing. But in RSI, here you can see it is at it is in uptrend. This is called bullish divergence. It's mean in 1 hour chart Bitcoin is like looking bullish right now. Maybe price of the Bitcoin can rise now. Here you can see it is moving towards upside, and here you can see, but the price in RSI it is moving towards upside, but in chart it is moving towards downside. This is clearly a bullish divergence right now, and I think Bitcoin price will rise right now. This is EMA ribbon, and now it is turning as a very strong resistance, $33,700 area. In order to move towards upside, Bitcoin have to break 33,000, very strong resistance, and after that 33,700 EMA ribbon, and after that Bitcoin price will go up. There is a good volume in Bitcoin 1 hour chart, and VPVR towers. Strong VPVR towers are starting from $33,000 to $35,000 area, and after $33,000 there is a strong tower waiting for the Bitcoin is at $32,500 area. After that there are no volume, but now Bitcoin is trying to reverse, and Bitcoin price is trying to reverse, and let's hope for the best, but things are not good for the Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin daily chart, and here you can see Bitcoin was in this pennant type pattern, and it is still holding this downtrend line. Here you can see first rejection, after that second rejection, after that third rejection, and after hitting this downtrend line Bitcoin pulls back. That is a very good sign. If Bitcoin hold this zone, then it is very good thing. And if unfortunately Bitcoin break this zone and close daily candle below this, in that case definitely Bitcoin price is ready to go down. This is very strong area for the Bitcoin to hold. This area is at $32,000 to $31,700, and last hope for the Bitcoin is waiting at $30,000. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. there is very strong EMA ribbon and it is now acting like a resistance. Once Bitcoin crossed $38,000, in that case Bitcoin will be in bull trend or will be in uptrend. Otherwise it will move towards downside, or it will maybe move sideways. The 4-hour volume is satisfactory, and let me please show you VPVR. Most of the VPVR towers are starting from $32,500 to $38,000. This is the area. Once Bitcoin break this area, $31,500, in that case there are very low towers of there are very low volume towers of VPVR. Let's hope for the best, but things are not good for the Bitcoin right now. And let me please show you my next chart. Bitcoin was in this ascending channel in daily chart, but unfortunately Bitcoin break this pennant and this downtrend line too. Bitcoin break this pennant and ascending channel and break this downtrend line. I was told you in my previous video that Bitcoin should have to hold this $32,800. Otherwise price of the Bitcoin will go down. And here you can see, let me please zoom this. Here you can easily see Bitcoin break this and close daily candle below this downtrend line. It is very bad thing for the Bitcoin. Technical target according to this will be like this. If we calculate this, and let me please put it on it. I'm not saying that Bitcoin is going that kind of price levels, but we have to be very careful. It can lead Bitcoin to $27,000. This pattern, according to this pattern, Bitcoin can go down to this area, $27,000. But before breaking this, there is a very strong resistance for the Bitcoin is at $28,000. The beginning of this ascending channel. Things are not good for the Bitcoin right now, but we are hope for the best. Only in Bitcoin, only in 1 hour Bitcoin chart is showing bullishness in the form of bullish divergence. Otherwise, all things are negative. This is daily EMA ribbon, and once Bitcoin break $38,000, in that case, Bitcoin can go down. Otherwise, there is very strong EMA ribbon waiting for the Bitcoin, and it is now acting like a resistance for the Bitcoin right now. Let me please show you the volume. Volume is good in this Bitcoin chart, daily chart, and let me please show you VPVR. Daily VPVR towers are starting from $32,000 area, and $32,000 to $35,000 is very important, and it is beginning from $31,500 to $36,000 area. Once Bitcoin break $31,500, there are very low volume towers of VPVR, indicating that price of the Bitcoin may further down. And let me please show you my next chart. This is rounding top pattern, and Bitcoin is in this. I was show you this chart in my previous videos. This is rounding top pattern, and Bitcoin should have to hold this bottom line, which is at $30,000 area. If Bitcoin break $30,000 area, in that case, price of the Bitcoin can go down to $22,600 area. Bitcoin price is moving like this in this horizontal channel like this, but Bitcoin have to decide whether it have to move towards upside. In order to move towards upside, it have to break $41,000 level, and if Bitcoin wants price goes down, then it have to hold $30,000. If Bitcoin break $30,000, then price of the Bitcoin can go down to $22,000. We have to be very careful right now. Things are not good. This is another chart. This is 4-hour chart. Bitcoin was in this descending wedge, and after that there was a new pattern, ascending wedge. But unfortunately, Bitcoin break this ascending wedge towards downside. Here you can see in that area. Here you can see Bitcoin break this towards downside. This was very important area, and unfortunately Bitcoin break this, and there is a very strong support zone is now waiting for the Bitcoin is at $32,000. If in any case Bitcoin break this, in that case it can go down to hit 30,000, maybe $28,000. But let me please show you. This is very important thing. Bitcoin is in this descending channel. This is 4-hourly descending channel. Price of the Bitcoin can hit $31,200 in 4-hour time frame. If Bitcoin break $31,200 and this descending channel, in that case price of the Bitcoin can go down to this level, 27,500, 27,300. We have to wait very carefully. Let me please show you my next chart. This is a daily chart, and unfortunately Bitcoin fails to break this box, which was the resistance level and of this upper trend line and support line of this ascending wedge in daily chart. Bitcoin have to hold this in order to move towards upside. If Bitcoin was hold this, then it have to go to price of the Bitcoin have to go to $36,800. But unfortunately Bitcoin break this towards downside and close daily candle below this. Let me please zoom this. Here you can see Bitcoin break this downtrend line too. Things are not good. Price of the Bitcoin can go down to retest this beginning of this ascending wedge, which is at $28,700. According to that pattern, the price of the Bitcoin can go down to, sorry for that, I'm very sorry for that. This zone, $26,600. Friends, if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon right now. This is my last chart and last hope for the Bitcoin. This is very important chart, guys, and I will show you this chart in my previous videos, and this is very important chart. These yellow lines are Bitcoin halving dates and Bitcoin halving, and here you can see after every bull run, after every halving, Bitcoin price rise after hitting 1.6 Fibonacci level. Let me please show you. Let me please zoom this. Here you can see Bitcoin touch this. Bitcoin was in this uptrend, and after halving Bitcoin was very bullish, and Bitcoin price goes to $265. After that Bitcoin goes down, price goes down to retest 1.6 level, and after that price again move towards upside, and after that Bitcoin give 20x to its holders. And after the halving of 2016, Bitcoin price moved parabolically, and after hitting this zone, $3,000, Bitcoin price again goes down to retest 1.6 Fibonacci level again in this chart, in this halving, and in this bull run too, and in this bull run too. And after hitting this 1.6 level, Bitcoin boom again, and Bitcoin price goes up and it gives 10x. And after this halving 2020, Bitcoin price moves parabolically towards upside, and after hitting $65,000, Bitcoin price is hitting $30,000. This box is at $30,000, 1.6 Fibonacci level. It should have, Bitcoin have to hold this 1.6 Fibonacci level. If in any case Bitcoin break this, in that case definitely Bitcoin price will go down, and this will be the maybe end of this bull run. Bitcoin have to hold this zone. According to this chart, I am not saying that bull run is going to over, but according to that, things are not clear. Things are very clear. Bitcoin have to hold 1.651 level. This is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon right now. And if you want to get this bonus of $2,300 bonus of Binance and Bybit exchanges, just go to in this video's comment section where you can get a pin message and these two links. This is Binance exchange link. This is Bybit exchange link. After clicking on this Binance exchange link and after creating your account and after initial deposit, you can get $700 absolutely free. And this is Bybit exchange link. Click on this link and create your account, and after initial deposit you can get $1,600 bonus, which is absolutely free, which is tradable too, which is withdrawable too. My last words are that, let me please show you. Bitcoin should have to hold 31,200 and 30,000 levels. If in any case Bitcoin break these two levels, in that case Bitcoin price can go down to $28,000, maybe $26,000 very, very soon. And if Bitcoin break $33,000 to $33,600 resistance area and close daily candle above this area, in that case Bitcoin will be very bullish, and in that case Bitcoin can hit $36,000 very, very soon. Let's hope for the best. Thanks for the watching, and please keep supporting me. Take care.